Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial in which you will learn how to create this hexagon graphic. First, select the hexagon shape under Basic Shapes and place it in the middle of your slide. Adjust the proportions to your liking. When resizing the shape, keep in mind that other hexagons will need to fit above and below. Next, format the text inside of the shape to have a fitting color, size, and style. Your shape is now ready to be duplicated. Place 6 more hexagons around your initial shape. The spacing can be approximate, as the next step will focus on arranging everything evenly. For the spacing, we will work with the Arrange section in your upper right toolbar. All the functions mentioned in this following part can be found in that drop-down. First, select the 2 hexagons on the right side and align them on the right. Then, do the same thing on the left for their counterpart on the other side. Now select the upper and lower middle shapes and make sure they are centered. Follow this up by selecting the upper right and upper left hexagon and make sure they are aligned at the top. Again, do the same thing for their counterparts at the bottom. Lastly, we are going to work on the vertical and horizontal spacings. Select the 3 lower hexagons and choose Distribute Horizontally in the drop-down. Like before, we are going to repeat this step for the upper counterparts. To finalize the formatting, select the 3 middle shapes and click on Distribute Vertically. You can now move on to filling the 7 shapes individually with colors of your choice or brand colors. If you would like to give multiple shapes the same color, select them all before choosing the color to reduce repetitive work. Instead of adding text to your shapes, you also have the option of adding in icons, as shown for the center hexagon in this video. Go to Insert and select Icons. With the appearing search bar, you can now find icons that fit your needs. Give the icon a color that sets it apart from the background and adjust the size as needed. Now make sure to place it in the middle of the hexagon. PowerPoint shows red guiding lines for this. Be aware that using the functions in the Arrange drop-down to place the icon might change the spacing of the concerned hexagon in proportion to the other shapes. Depending on the colors chosen for the hexagons, some text colors might need to be adjusted to ensure good contrast and readability. As always, group all elements in a final step to ensure an easily movable and adjustable graphic. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.